Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I am collaborating with my girl Danny B. That's right, y'all, a Southern belle from Houston, Texas. Okay, I don't know if she's from Texas, but she definitely lives there. I like her. She's a gorgeous petite girl and she does a lot of bundle wig like units. So a lot of the wigs that she does on her channel, they look like bundles, and she is just so cute. She does a lot of baddie slash bombshell units, so make sure you guys check her out on Instagram _Danni DANNI_BBEE. So once you are finished watching my video, make sure you guys check her out and let her know I sent you. Today I am reviewing a $20 unit, you guys, from Wig Types. That's right, it's $20 and it's a new unit from Model. It's called Klio. I think it's pronounced Klio. I don't know. But it's Klio. It's a lace front wig, fresh and trendy styles for every day. Easy to use, easy to maintain, natural human hair like texture, and we're going to talk about that in a second. Curling iron safe and protective styling, and I got this in the color 1B. It says that you can wash this unit as well, and here's the parting space. And yeah, so first of all, I want to talk about the texture. The texture of this feels like there was some spritz, like a light spray of spritz was sprayed in here. Like, it's not super soft. It doesn't feel like human hair, so I don't know what happened with my unit. But it don't feel like human hair. It feels like someone sprayed a little bit of spritz throughout the unit to hold these curls. So yeah, but I do think this is a cute unit. I would say it's more like a bob-like, but as you guys saw earlier when I was running my fingers through it, there were a lot of strands that were like longer, so I was going through cutting those. And that was mainly in the front of the unit. I didn't see any in the back. There is a little bit of shedding, just so you guys know, but this unit is really nice. I did struggle with the lace a little bit, only because it wasn't my exact color and I didn't put freaking my leftover foundation underneath. Yes, I know I should have, but yeah. And then I was trying to figure out what to do with the baby hairs because I didn't really want to do too much. So I just did a little swoop, and it took me a little minute because I was struggling. And yeah, I'm glad we got past that. So I'm going to give you guys a 360. So yeah, as you guys can see, it is ear to ear. But again, it's a lace front. It's not like it's free parting, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, the part is designated for you, so the hair is going to cover your ears regardless. I would say it is big head friendly, just so you guys know. I didn't adjust the cap size, so it fits securely around my head, but it is big head friendly, and it does stretch, as you guys saw earlier as well. But yes, and I did go in with my MAC concealer. This is the Deep Dark Concealer from MAC, and my brush, I went in and just highlighted it so it could, you know, blend in with my complexion. And that was honestly it. This unit was super easy. Okay, I say that in every video. It wasn't super easy this time around. It was, the baby hairs had a little struggle, but other than that, it was fine. This is definitely a work ready wig. I tried to give you guys, like, you know, a little outfit combo so you can see how you would look with it at work. And yes, I like it. Let me know your thoughts below. Drop some comments. And don't forget to check out my girl Danny B. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys next Monday.